Welcome to this BoldDesk integration tutorial. In this video, I will guide you through integrating Calendly with BoldDesk and scheduling meetings directly from live chat using sticky buttons. The Calendly integration enables support agents to share booking links, schedule meetings, and manage appointments without leaving BoldDesk, perfect for demos, consultations, or follow-ups right inside customer conversations. To get started, I log into the BoldDesk agent portal as an administrator, navigate to the admin module, and open Marketplace. Here, I search for and select the Calendly app and click Install. I will be redirected to the Calendly login page. I enter the credentials, click Continue to access the Calendly configuration page. Under the Account section, enter the BoldDesk API key. To learn how to generate your own BoldDesk API key, check out the documentation linked in the description. Once done, I click Verify and Save to complete the setup. Next, let me configure the workflow to handle the scheduling. In the Admin module, navigate to the Chat section and select Chat Automation under Automation. For this demo, I will show you how to schedule meetings directly in live chat using sticky buttons, making it easier for customers to book appointments seamlessly. Therefore, I choose the sticky button clicked trigger to open the sticky button workflow listing page. I click Add a workflow to create a new one. On the Create New Workflow page, I enter the workflow name, brand, and source, and select Next to open the Workflow Designer page. Next, I click the initial block, followed by the Add icon to open the context menu. I choose Branching and select Branch via Conditions to configure conditional branching. I click Add New Condition to open the Configure Conditions page and name the condition, define rules, and click Add and confirm the action. Next, I click the Add icon next to the Schedule Calendly Meeting as True option and select User Inputs, Scheduler, and Get Scheduler via Calendly. A window opens on the right side, where I enter the message, button text, and enable the Show Meeting Card Details option so that meeting details appear in a card structure. I then select the event type and click Add. Lastly, I end each path with an exit block, then click Publish and Activate to complete the setup. Next, let me show you how to enable sticky buttons in live chat. I scroll and select the live chat option under Channels. I choose the live chat widget and navigate to the Chat Experience section. I click the drop-down menu under Start Chat Configuration and scroll to enable the sticky buttons. I set the display name and value. Note that this value should match the workflow value created earlier. Click Update to complete the setup. Now, whenever a customer clicks the Contact Sales button, BoldDesk triggers the Calendly booking flow. Click the button and Calendly opens within the chat window, allowing users to select an available date and time slot. Then enter name and email. You can also include guests and additional information. Then click Schedule Event. This confirms the booking automatically. Calendly creates the meeting and sends notifications to the agent and the customer. A ticket is automatically created, and the meeting details will be updated in the ticket with all the essential information, including the meeting date, time, and link to join. That's how easy it is to integrate Calendly with BoldDesk, enabling customers to instantly schedule meetings via live chat, improving engagement and delivering faster, personalized support. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to more BoldDesk tutorials. Thanks for watching.